Once upon a garden green lived a tortoise rarely seen. Torty was his name, so slow, but his life was quite the show. Torty, Torty, slow and wise, underneath the sunny skies, teaching us to take it slow. As through life we gently go, in his shell he'd hide away. When danger came, he'd quietly stay. But when the sun began to rise, Torty would open up his eyes. Torty, Torty, slow and wise, underneath the sunny skies, teaching us to take it slow. As through life we gently go, slowly Torty roamed around, through the garden safe and sound, eating leaves and veggies too, living life the way he knew. Torty, Torty, slow and wise, underneath the sunny skies, teaching us to take it slow. As through life we gently go, seasons changed and years rolled by. Torty watched beneath the sky, from his shell he'd often peep, learning lessons wise and neat. Torty, Torty, slow and wise, underneath the sunny skies, teaching us to take it slow. As through life we gently go, and when at last his days did end, Torty left a message to send. Take it slow, he seemed to say, enjoy each moment, come what may. Torty, Torty, slow and wise.